a sudden it happened that I had to take over the throne, and I've seen a lot of support coming from people, which I really once again want to say thank you to everybody once again, and I really look forward, to working with everybody in this regard, in the part role that I will play insofar as being His Majesty the King of the Zulus. Thank you, Koko.
Let's talk about your vision for the throne now. Moving forward, your subjects are ravaged by poverty, inequality, diseases, unemployment. What are you going to do to ensure that you rule over a healthy, prosperous nation?
Thank you, Koko. I do rule over a population that is very strictly stricken by poverty, which to me, as much as I love my father's people and as much as I want to be a shield for them in South Africa, working together obviously with government and different institutions and different NGOs around the world, we do already have programs in place which we want to put in place to be able to move forward as a nation. Lucky for me and lucky for those around me insofar as leadership, the King had already set a foundation for us, a platform that we need to work on, that we need to work with,